Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a quick camping treat. In here is a hot chocolate pouch, Galaxy Instant Hot Chocolate, which I love. And you know what? It's camping season. It really is camping season. Oh. Gather together and give thanks. If you're camping this year, best of British luck to you, because camping's not my bag. And you know what? Only because I was terrified as a child from a deflating lilo and then another one that floated away. But yeah, camping, it can be good fun. I quite happily join people at a tent and then go back to my hotel. That's just me. But I wanted to make a little something that you could give to somebody on a chilly camp night evening. And I thought hot chocolate might be fun. And it means I can use my beautiful 6x6 papers. I love these. This is the one with the script and the, I don't know what shape you'd call that, pattern on the back. This is the one that's sort of a kind of a harlequin and then it's gingham on the inside. So I'm going to go with this pattern. 6x6. These are Galaxy Hot Chocolates. They're 25 grams. You can get them off Amazon. Tiny little bit too wide, so we're going to fold one end over and start off by putting some tear and tape on one side and start your wrap process. Don't worry about tucking your ends in at this point and just get a rough, yeah, that's about right there. So it's very slightly bent. You don't want to be folding, burnishing or anything like that. This is just about a quick project. This is a quick, oh, my children are going camping with grandparents or friends and you want to give them a little treat to remind them of you, to warm them on a chilly evening. Okay, so that slides in and out. Like I say, we're just going to fold one end over and then it will fit perfectly. Look at that. Super cute. This one was Cajun Craze with the terracotta tile ribbon and I'm using the same, but I'm going with pumpkin pie and the terracotta tile. All about the oranges. I was kind of thinking campfire. Well, sort of. I'm just going to tie a square knot because a bow is too complicated for me for quick projects. And just nip off the end there. And then I pulled out Painted Harvest for the stamping. I wanted a sort of let's get together kind of sentiment. Oh, I completely forgot to trim my paper. So, look at that, that's the perfect width. Let's just double check that is. It's not. It says, gather together and give thanks. Is that going to fit on there? Yeah, not quite. So let me measure it up. 3/4 of an inch by 2 3/4. So that's going to be, what's that in metric? 3/4 of an inch is 2 centimetres by 2 3/4, which is 7. So I'm going to take that off at 7. Oh. That gives me my big stamp on. I went garden green on this one. I'm going old olive this time around. And let me do my sentiment first, then I'll do my 2-step on my leaves. Gather together and give thanks. So with my leaves, I'm going to get both of them out. So I've got the veins and I've got the main shape. And I'm going to stamp off to get the paler shade. Stamp off again. I'm cleaning that on my Stampin scrub, which is just to one side. And I'm not stamping off this time, but I'm going to go over the top to get the depth of veins. And then a leaf punch. And on the back of this panel, I'm going to bring in some linen thread. I don't want loads of it, just a little bit. There are kinks in it because it's been wrapped around cardstock, and if you just run your fingernail or a bone folder across it, it will take the kinks out. And pile of snail on there, and I'm just going to wrap around a couple of fingers. My dimensionals, there we go. Oh, don't need, oh, I'll have 3, I've got them now. 2 would have been fine. That on there, and then I'm going to take mini glue dots just on the bottom of the leaves and tuck it in behind. That is an easy little gift you can give to, you know, maybe a small child if they're going camping without you for the first time, or even if they're just going away, or even you could leave it as a treat if you've got visitors coming over to stay and you want to give them a little gift. You know, they could make hot chocolate, leave them a little mini kettle, and they can make hot chocolate in their room. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.